Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana's chart hasn't really changed since yesterday. However, what I can tell you is that the decline from the Wednesday high is only in 3 waves. Looks actually like some kind of an ABC structure to the downside. Now, we want to talk about that. It definitely leaves the door open for higher prices. This is also what we want to see in this structure. I highlighted to you that at least one more high here in circle 5 is likely, but we need to consider this structure here, and it would require a sustained break above $154 to confirm to me that the next leg to the upside is actually unfolding. Then I would call that circle 5, and then we'll see where it takes us. It's not the most reliable structure. Other charts provide much clearer structures, like for example Rune, SUI, yeah, even FTX not FTX, FTX, yeah, FET. So this here is not impulsive at all. It all, is moving in corrective structures. But overall, the idea that we go higher seems to still be correct. The reason is the pullback from yesterday's high is only in 3 waves, which doesn't even very clearly suggest that we will test the support area again. The idea is a B wave or wave 2. Wave 2, the yellow count, is the more bullish one, but that needs proving. But from a, let's say, from the white count perspective, we had this wave 1, we had the wave 2. I mean, something more bullish might turn out. If this turns really into a 5-wave move, then this might be wave 1 of 3, okay? But it doesn't matter at the moment in the short term. This here is at the moment not impulsive, and also wave 1s in larger third waves, which are typically bullish, typically wouldn't form a diagonal, but it's possible. So still, I'm still watching for higher prices anyway, and the idea was that, okay, maybe wave 4 already bottomed. I mean, the price reached the ideal support for a 4th wave. It did that and reacted, but the reaction was only in 3 waves, so it's not clearly directly bullish. And the wave 4 compared to the wave 2 size isn't really, I mean, if that wave 4 already bottomed, it would be quite a weak wave 4. I mean, not in terms of price, but in terms of time and proportion. So my idea is still that we ideally stretch out this correction a little further. But then the question is what happens here. So it's possible this is a 1-2 because this now moves to high for an impulse down. If it's a 1-2 setup, this move down would be a diagonal. We can explore that idea still, and it's still valid. But remember what I said yesterday, that due to the high B wave, we might not even test the lower support levels here. This count, however, would lead to a test of the lower support levels. So I have to consider maybe this is going to form another high. The thing is, it's a 3-wave pullback, so I don't have a clear direct extension count. Not at the moment, at least, okay? Unless we're saying, but that is really messy then. Wave 4 bottomed, and then wave 5 is unfolding. It would be A. Maybe this was the B, we rally in C. That would be the direct pathway. We can add that to the chart actually. And then we just need to see how high it goes. The thing is, this correction, as I said, it can be over because we reached pretty much the middle of our support area. It's just in terms of proportions, it would actually look best with a test of support, but sometimes we don't get what would look best. So this is how the direct pathway to the upside would look like. And that is possible given that the move up is a diagonal. So the 5th wave would be an ABC structure, and that would be further confirmed above 154 and further confirmed above 160. To confirm the white count further, it takes a break below the intraday low at 146.70. That's the update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.